Hey there, English IQ family. This quiz will cover essential IELTS words, their meanings, and how to use them in sentences. There are two parts. Part 1 is multiple choice questions, Part 2 is fill in the blanks. Tell me your score in the comment. Ready? Let's get started.
What does client mean? B. Service receiving person. What does colleague mean? C. Professional workmate. What does employer mean? B. Person who hires. What does parent mean? A. Mother or father. What does sibling mean? B. Brother or sister. What does spouse mean? B. Married partner. What does autonomous mean? C. Independent decision making. What does consistent mean? A. Always behaving similarly. What does conventional mean? B. Ordinary and normal. What does cooperative mean? A. Willingly helpful. What does efficient mean? B. Productive without waste. What does flexible mean? C. Easily adaptable. What does idealistic mean? A. Guided by ideals. What does tolerant mean? A. Open to differences. What does vulnerable mean? B. Easily hurt or weak. An person prefers to make decisions without being influenced by others. B. Autonomous. Children often rely on their for emotional support. C. Parents. Female academics are often paid less than their male. B. Colleagues. He is known for his performance in every match. C. Consistent. Her supported her during tough times. A. Spouse. People often believe the world can become a better place. B. Idealistic. It's important to be of others' opinions, even if you disagree. A. Tolerant. My grandparents lead a very lifestyle, following traditional values. B. Conventional. Sibling rivalry often causes tension between. B. Siblings. Technological advances allow for more use of resources. C. Efficient. The hired new workers to expand the business. A. Employer. The company offers working hours to accommodate employees' needs. B. Flexible. The company requires its to pay substantial fees in advance. A. Clients. The elderly are often more to illness and need extra care. B. Vulnerable. The team was very and worked together smoothly on the project. Leave your answer in the comment. Click for your next challenge and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.